Welcome to Chapter King's Cross, the student accommodation paradise nestled on the banks of the River Thames in London. Located at Pentonville Road, Chapter King's Cross offers a variety of accommodations ranging from a studio and private flat to ensuite room options to suit your preferences. No matter what room you go for, each option is thoughtfully designed and furnished with a comfy bed, private study space, wall-mounted shelves, and ensuite washrooms. And for those who enjoy cooking, the fully equipped kitchen awaits your culinary creations. In addition, the property also offers a variety of common amenities to enhance your living experience. Engage in friendly competition in the games rooms, socialize with fellow residents in the communal areas, or unwind in the comfortable cinema lounge. And with the on-site laundry facility and gym, you can take care of your laundry and fitness conveniently without leaving the accommodation. Take a short bus ride and reach the University of London or UCL in just 15 minutes. And when hunger strikes, a 10-minute walk will lead you to Honest Burgers King's, and for your everyday needs, the Tesco Express supermarket is conveniently close by. Don't miss out on the chance to call Chapter King's Cross your home in London. To secure your place in this remarkable student accommodation, book via amberstudent.com today.